Hi guys, thank you for stopping by my channel. I wanted to show you all what I got in these 3 bags. This one was opened already, but I took this out and a few things so far just a few things. Harry and David single serve ground coffee, sorry there's a glare, Northwest blend, hazelnut, praline, and cinnamon, 18 cups, let's see. Never heard of them before. Let's see. There's a expiration date. The coffee usually lasts for about a year or so. I mean, let's see. February the 13th, 2020. So it's not even expired yet till next week, but technically it can last up to a year or so. It was $7.99 is what they were trying to sell it for. That's freaking amazing. Okay. I think I'll definitely like the praline, the cinnamon. I don't know about, maybe the hazelnut. Okay, Market in Maine chocolate peanut butter cups. A blend of chocolate and creamy peanut butter. It's a mix. Oh, it's ground coffee. Oh, cool. That's freaking awesome. Yum. Chocolate peanut butter cup, blend of chocolate and creamy peanut butter, and it says ground coffee. I thought there for a minute that it was some type of a baking thing. Let's see, Best Buy 2/15/2020. You see it? There we go. And it was $3.99. Okay, so there's that one. There's this one, toasted hazelnut. February 2nd, 2020. And that's coffee too. Okay. Then toffee, a whole hazelnut caramel, hazelnut cream and chocolate. And it was $2.29. Expires January 31st, 2020. Right there. You can see it. But I'm sure it'll be fine. There's that. This is very interesting. There are Jelly Bellies. I love Jelly Bellies. I don't know if you probably had some before, but the one I really like is popcorn and watermelon, and I don't know, just different ones like that. Jelly Belly candy cones. That's really cool. And then on the back here, there's different kinds. Of course, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate, orange, I would say. I'm not for sure if it's orange or not. Ice cream flavored mellow cream candies. Cool. And mint, maybe, or lime. I don't know. That's really cool. And well, here's the flavors. Here's the flavors. Chocolate, yeah, mint chip, strawberry, French vanilla, and orange. I was right. Huh. That's cool. Okay, Bailey, get move, honey. Where's that? There is these Mackenzie and Lloyd's. My aunt used to get me these orange ones when I was a kid. These are the fresh mint drops. There is some candy bars, $1 Million Bar, Barton's bar, and it was 99 cents. December 23rd, 2020. It says chocolate with peppermint crunch. And then there's the Hammond's Seaside Caramel, dark chocolate with sea salt caramel. They were $1.99. I wish that I could find those ones from Tuesday morning that are they're a candy bar, and it's mint chocolate chip, and it's really, really good. It will not mint chocolate chip, it's just mint, but it's a chocolate mint candy bar. So here's the 3 bags. That one kind of right here fell out. Don't look at the stuff over here. I'm going to do a video on that one. I found that stuff in the dumpster as well. So what else is in here? Let's see. Toffee, another one. Another mints, another strawberry, Jelly Bellies, Another peanut butter coffee. Another candy bar. Another toffee. Another toffee. And another mint container. Lava crisp. I've never heard of that. Lava crisp, almond lava, baker's brittle with chocolate chunks and macadamia nuts. Okay. And then toffee and another toffee one. So there's that. There's that bag. Bye-bye. And then there is 2 more bags left. Which one should we? Let's go into this one first. Let's see what's in here. Oh, wow. Okay. There is croissant. Pasta Provence, $2.99. That's interesting. It's got like peaches on the inside. Huh. Expires. I can't even read the expiration date. There's one of those. And there's 2 of those. Okay. There's one of these. So light. $2.29. Popcorn. Himalayan salt. 35 calories per cup. That looks good. Yum. Gluten-free. Whole grain. So, that's cool. There's that one. And then there's this one. Another one. Cool. Awesome. It's good to try. And, giveaway too, as well. Most of the time I leave things at the dumpster, but if there's stuff in bags and I feel kind of threatened that I need to get out of there, I just get out of there because they'll make it caught. So I really didn't have time to leave anything at the dumpster. Maybe I could go back and leave some something or whatever. I didn't check the whole dumpster, so maybe there's some more stuff in there. Buffalo Ranch. And it's popcorn. Huh. That's interesting. Mosaics. Popped veggie potato chips. Okay. Another one of these, the Popcorn Factory. Okay. Now we're going to go to this bag. Alright. Let me get this stuff out real quick. Come on. Okay. Let me just take it out of the bag and then show you all because it's just hard to get out of the bag. Okay. Ooh, come on. Get out of the bag, buddy. Like I said, there might be more in there. I didn't go all the way down, Okay. Let's see. There is, vanilla wafers. Those look good. With a kiss of sea salt. XOXO. From Rugger. Huh. Never been opened. See, February 12th, 2020. Okay, there's that. Okay, and then there's another one of these almond lava things. Okay, and then there's another one of these. That's lava crisps. Okay, stand up there, buddy. Stand to attention. Okay, there is Pucker Buttercup candy. That's interesting. I guess there's different candies, all this different candy mix. There's worms, sugar candies, gumball, and sour something. Sour cherries. There's that one. Okay. And then there's that one. Okay. And then there is... Oops. I'll show you what else there is. Let me move back here. Kind of in a spot here. Whoops. Kind of in a spot here by the door. I'm going to go through this stuff and give some of it away and keep some of it. Let's see, the Wicked Crisp Red Curry Hummus. Delicious, deceptive nutrition. Ooh, that's interesting. Okay, so... Okay, and there is this spicy chili lime meatball dipping sauce mix. Then there are these black tie sprinkles. I guess good for New Year's Eve. There's 1, 2, 3 of those. And then there's a maple barbecue meatball and dipping sauce. That's interesting. So there's that. Woo, gosh. I'll kind of show you, make it look nice and neat here. Oops, these could go like right here. That would be better. So I showed you all everything. I hope that I was, talked up loud enough so everybody could hear me. But yeah, I do admit that I didn't realize I was doing what I was doing, just talking real low. So there's all that. And there's all this. Making sure everybody sees everything I got. Okay. That's really cool. The coffee peanut butter cup. There's another one of those lava things. And then there's these. So anyways, thank you for stopping by my channel. Please like and subscribe. As always, have a good day or night. Bye-bye.